In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into a WordPress page or post. By the end, your form will appear right on your site, and visitors will be able to fill it out without leaving the page. Start by opening your Typeform account in a browser and navigating to the specific form you want to add to your website. Make sure the form is finalized or close to it, because any changes you make later will update on your site automatically, which is convenient but good to keep in mind. At the top right of your Typeform editor, click the Share button. This is where Typeform provides different ways to publish your form. In the Share panel, look for the option labeled Embed in a web page and select it. Typeform offers multiple embed styles. Choose Standard if you want the form to appear directly on the page as part of your content. Choose Pop-up if you prefer the form to open in a modal window when someone clicks a button or after a trigger. If you're unsure, Standard is the most straightforward and works well on most pages. Once you've chosen your embed style and adjusted any optional settings, click Copy Code. This copies a small snippet of HTML and JavaScript to your clipboard. Don't edit the code, it's already configured for responsiveness and tracking, and changing it can cause the embed to fail. Now switch over to your WordPress site and open the page or post where you want the form to appear. In the WordPress editor, add a new block and search for custom HTML, then select it. If you're editing an existing page, you can insert the custom HTML block exactly where you want the form to show up in the content. For sites using the classic editor, switch to the HTML or text view and place the code where it should appear. Paste the embed code into the custom HTML block. Before you make it live, click Preview. This lets you check that the form loads, looks correct, and fits well with your layout. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to load. On some themes, you may need to refresh the preview. Also make sure you're not pasting the code inside a paragraph block by accident, since that can break the embed. When everything looks good, click Publish if this is a new page, or Update if you're editing an existing one. Visit the live page to confirm the form appears and functions as expected. That's it, your Typeform is now embedded on your WordPress site and ready for responses.